Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to put an image behind text using PDF-XChange Editor. I'll put this image behind this text. Select this home option. Now select an edit option and select image option and click on this image and bring it on this text. Now click on this arrange option. Here you will find the send back option. Click here and see this image now placed behind this text. Yeah, in this way you can place behind this text all of these images. Also I'll bring this on the send back and see this. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.